Welcome to part 3 of our 3-part series on preparing your dog for Bonfire Night and fireworks season. So with a few days to go until Bonfire Night, in this video we're going to talk about things that you can do on the day to keep your dog safe. The first thing you want to do is make sure that your dog is walked earlier in the day, even well before it starts to get towards sunset. Remember that sometimes fireworks can start going off even before it's dark, so it's always better to walk your dog as early as possible. Once it does get dark, keep your dog inside and try to avoid bathroom breaks. I also recommend keeping your blinds and curtains closed to really minimize any noise or flashes of light from outside. It can also be helpful to play calming music or leave the TV running to also help drown out the noise. If your dog does become stressed out by the fireworks, remember that it's perfectly okay to comfort them. In our last couple of videos, we talked about introducing the skullcap and valerian tablets to help support with your dog's anxiety. But another go-to for me is the valerian compound, which can be used as a top-up. This is really helpful for when your dog is actively experiencing stress or if you need an extra boost. So it's really useful to give this to your dog on the day. Remember that Dorwest are offering 25% off the skullcap and valerian tablets and the valerian compound when they're bought together, and you can redeem that offer using the code on the screen. So from both me and Dorwest, we hope you keep safe this bonfire night and fireworks season, and let us know in the comments how you get on.